Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is all about the Google Ads Keyword Planner or the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, however you want to call it. If you want to just do a Google search for Google Keyword Planner, you'll find it here at the top of the search engine results page. Click that and click on Visit Keyword Planner. For a bit of a preamble, the Google Keyword Planner is a powerful tool designed for advertisers using Google Ads, though it's widely utilized by content creators and SEM professionals. SEM is search engine marketing, by the way. Now, they use it to research keywords. If ever you hear somebody say, did you do any keyword research, or I need you to do keyword research, the idea is you'd use the Keyword Planner to uncover new keyword ideas for your search campaigns. The Keyword Planner will offer you insights into potential performance-based historical data and trends. The tool provides detailed information not only on search volume, but also competition level. And it also shows you the estimated CPC, or cost per click, for each keyword that comes up. Now, you can input keywords if you have an idea of what these keywords would be. You can input phrases or even a website URL. You'll see in a moment that you'll receive relevant keyword suggestions. The Keyword Planner also allows for the customization of results through filters like location, language, network settings, and even enabling users to craft their search strategy precisely for their target audience. So this feature not only helps optimize ad campaigns for improved performance, but it also supports content planning by identifying keywords with high organic traffic potential. Let's click this button here in the Keyword Planner, Discover New Keywords. All right, and I've got this website here, remove.bg. If they were to advertise or create content about their site, they would use the Keyword Planner, right? So let's put in the URL, remove.bg. They're just a background removing tool online. Not just, they're really helpful actually. So let's click on Start with a Website. Put it in here, use the entire site. We're going to leave this checked, and we're going to click on Get Results. Check this out. Photoshop, remove background, free photo background remover, photo editor to remove background. These are all great keywords, and it shows you how much they're going to cost, what the competition is, right? I like just filtering for, let's say, medium. And then typically you want to add 20 to 25 keywords that have medium competition. I mean, if they're relevant enough and you think they'll convert to your Google Ads campaign. So you can add a filter here for competition and just say medium, apply. This is the strategy. I think that's good. Erase picture background. You know, you can just maybe select. See, these are 30. So then you could say copy. Then you can go to your Google Ads campaign, go to the keyword section, and then paste these in. So it's a really good starting point, right? There's all sorts of other things you can do with the Keyword Planner. You can look at forecasting, save your keywords. You can add negative keywords as well. But in terms of doing this keyword research, this is the easiest way to do it. Shows you the impression share, the competition, the bid, the amount that you're going to pay for each keyword, and you know, whether it's a bid for the top of the page on the lower end of the scale or top of the page at the higher end of the scale. The Keyword Planner shows you all of this. So highly recommend using it. Hope this is helpful. Certainly was helpful when I discovered this tool. And yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, all that jazz. Any questions, let me know. Keyword Planner is the way to go when you're creating a campaign in Google Ads. Okay, take care. Have a good one.